Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 2. I know it has been a while since I have been on here. Alright, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, a month. But it is December, y'all. I am so happy. I know this is my most favorite time of the year. But I have to be honest with y'all. It is feeling very, very off. And I am feeling very out of place and with a lot of things, and yeah, we'll get into that. But I'm heading now. I just finished dropping Royalty off to school. I'm heading now to a spot called Dave's Bagel to have me some breakfast. I'm gonna sit down and have me some breakfast and yeah, spend some time with myself. So, little petite shoe. Should I go here? No, it's okay. I want to sit down, And it's so crazy. All the diners that used to be around my neighborhood, they're all gone. They took them all away. But Dave's Bagel is holding strong. And if you're from New York City, if you're from the city, if you're from Manhattan, then you probably know about Dave's Bagel. I'm gonna do that, then I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done. Also, Kay is back. Remember, I was complaining to y'all about that. My eyebrow lady is back. And it's very, very cold outside right now, so when I get inside, when I get in Dave's Bagel, we'll sit down and chat. I don't wanna tell you to try me, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you. Sorry about the angle. Thank you, Lord. Other food I'm left for the page. This is my view. After I left David's Bagel, I went to Lot Stop. That's the store where I get my nails from. These are the ones, they $2.99. I got these. These are for my sister. She'll be trying for the first time. I got these. And the toes. Let's see. I think I'm gonna do them today. You can watch your thing tomorrow. I got this from Target. Right, we like these. Let me see. Some peppermint for my water. Trader Joe's. Oh. Apples. Salad. Best grapes in the world. If you shop at Trader Joe's, then you know turkey bacon, coconut water, egg white, liquid. spinach, spectrum, fruits. Want some fruit tomorrow? Cheese. My baby loves string cheese. And my smoothie sauce, I still gotta go get my greens. So these are good to have a replacement of a meal, or like instead of eating food for lunch, have one of these. Or for breakfast. I feel like my throat. Oh God. Anyhow. So I left from upstairs and came to meet with my sister Vicky so that we can go to the store. And I'm thinking about she had to go pick up a coat, but I'm thinking about getting, is it pronounced aloe? Aloe? I don't know. Aloe. I'm thinking about getting some headbands from them. The headbands are on sale for, I believe, $23 and $26. I'm thinking about getting 2 headbands, like a black and a brown, because the headbands look cute with the, when you have the braids in, it just looks cute. And plus, when hair starts getting all frizzy like it gets, because I don't have a perm, I don't do edges, I don't do all of that. Less is more for me. So, yeah, but I haven't seen my sister Vicky in so long. And we was just here catching up on life, like we always do. And, yeah, let me tell you something. You may not meet a bunch of good people in your lifetime, but I guarantee you'll meet one, and that one you need to cherish. Don't take it for granted. Don't take the person for granted, and treat them the way you would want to be treated. And my sister Vicky is, yeah, I wouldn't want to know life without her. Honestly, I wouldn't. I love her. I could tell her anything. She is the safest space that I've ever known. Like, yeah. And the feeling is mutual, vice versa. So she has other friends, but they don't matter. If she was in the car, she would be like, oh my gosh, shut it. Anywho, so yeah. We went to Aloe. Well, I didn't get out the car. She went inside to pick up something, the coat. And now I'm waiting until she comes back. She went to go get something. I have to go get royalty. I think I'm gonna have a salad for dinner. That was fast. Look. Oh, you look cute. You look like you was in
What you doing?
Vlogging.
Hi, friends.
You look like the commercial. You know, like the commercial when they put the rain or the snow on the coat to make it. That's how you look. Would you?
Right?
Thank you, Orlando. Thank you, Orlando.
Girl.
Oh my goodness. Somebody did go by the car, like a person. I guess because they saw the lights and maybe didn't see nobody inside. And they looking, and I'm looking at them like,
Oh, thank God.
what are you trying to do? People still do that?
Mm-hmm.
Like be trying to pop people's cars and I was just telling my vlog how much I love you. And I was like, you know, she has other friends, but they don't matter. I said if she was in the car, she'd be like, oh my God.
Yeah.
It's nice to be nice. Yeah. So where Orlando went? He following?
He's in front.
Oh, he went around?
No, he left before us.
Oh, okay.
He's gonna meet us. Wow.
We got royalty from school, right?
Hi guys, I'm in the car with
She's eating cheese steak. That girl come out of school, she be like, I'm hungry. I don't understand, but today is, my sister got me wanting to cook soup. I don't know if I am gonna cook soup or, I don't know. I did want a salad, but I would have to get some meat.
Phoenix forgot me.
It's okay. I don't know. Oh, God. What should we eat? I could just really go upstairs and make me some ramen noodles.
I want ramen noodles.
A nice hot bowl of ramen noodles. Yeah. But Vicky is picking up her kids early from school because it is nasty out. Nobody feels like being in this. This is like the worst. This weather is so like... But even though the weather is yucky, happy Vlogmas Day 2. It is December. Christmas is now 23 days away. I linked up with Santa for him to give me a few things. Well, his helpers to give me a few things for that little girl.
Yeah, because I'm good.
And yeah, Santa also has to give me something else. So I don't know. I gotta see. I gotta see. But y'all, we are heading home now, and I will see y'all when we get in the house. And plus, I got a new TV. Oh God, why are you hating? Always. I got a new TV, and I gotta set it up and sign into all my subscriptions and all of that stuff. So I see y'all when we are in the house safe and dry. All right. I've been home for a while now. I am not cooking. Royce wants some ramen. That's what it's gonna be. And yeah, so today was a good day. It is Vlogmas Day 2. I'm gonna try and get this vlog out before 12 midnight. Tomorrow, what do I have to do? Wednesday, I have to. I want to go to Wegmans. I want to get all my stuff for my juice and fill up my containers. My oats, my fruit, and I'm back on the juicing journey all over again. I had my doctor's appointments last week. And I lost 10 pounds. So I'm really happy about that. So it's only motivation for me to keep going. Thanksgiving came. I did eat as much as I wanted to. But now it's time for me to get back on top of my stuff. I did want to do my nails and stuff tonight. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to read a little bit of my word, and then write in my journal, and then hit the sack. So, thank you for coming back. Thank you for staying in tune. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Turn on your post notifications so when I post, you can pull up and see what I got going on. That's new and true. And yeah, Vlogmas Day 2. I'm trying my best to post every day. I was going to do it weekly, but that's not how it works. You're supposed to post every single day. So I'm being committed to that. Yesterday was day 1. I didn't record, so we starting at day 2. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Love you. Good night.